Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and this video is about a revolutionary product that has been launched by Try Sugar, that is Sugar Cosmetics. It's their line Try Sugar, and this is going to solve 90% of lipstick problems that we girls have. Yes, these problems are about the transfer of our lipsticks that we face. It's everywhere, on the cups, on the tissues, on whatever surface, even on your man's cheek. That is not something which we want. Okay, so you can use whatever lipstick you have, and then you can just top it off with that serum balmy like product that they've launched, and it magically turns it into a matte lipstick. Well, that sounded like a gimmick to me, so I wanted to try it myself. Yes, so we have this sugar packet, we have this sugar packet with us, and in it we have the product. So this product is called Lip Zip Matte Topper. So Lip Zip Matte Topper is supposed to be a lip balmy kind of serum kind of product which you apply on your creamy lipstick, and it turns it matte and transfer proof, which is, by the way, the USP for Try Sugar lipsticks. So let's see, I have never ever came across a product like that in my life, and trust me guys, I shop for makeup quite a lot. I mean, even if I'm not doing anything, I'm browsing through Nykaa, Sephora, all of those makeup websites you may call, and I've never came across something like that. So we have this product with us right here. It is in its plastic packaging as of now. So I'm gonna open it with you guys. I've not opened it yet. So let's see. I want to maybe twist it. Yes, and it opens it instantly. That's beautiful. Okay. So when you open it, it is a classic sugar packaging. It's in a black pencil-like tube, which is very classy and beautiful in my opinion, because I like black and I like black things. And I like black packaging. It's very classy to me for some reason. Okay, so on one end we have the twister, and other opens up like this. It has a lip balm kind of end where you can just apply it. So what I'm gonna do is close it for now. So the lipstick that I'm wearing is purposefully, I'm wearing a creamy lipstick because I wanted to do the video and wanted to show if this turns your lipstick transfer proof by any chance. So I'm going to use this tissue and show you that this lipstick is actually transferring. See, so the lipstick that I'm currently wearing transfers, and it is there on my tissue. And now I'm going to use this topper and see if it does anything. So you have to twist this end to make the product come out, and the product comes like in a texture of a Vaseline jelly. So I'm not going to use the stick on my lip because it's going to dirty it. I'm just going to take a little bit of I've seen other videos of people reviewing it, and it is stated that you need to use a very little amount on your lips and it takes a little bit of time to dry. And I'm taking a little more. Let's see what happens. So I have it on, and the texture is exactly how a Vaseline jelly feels on the hand or to touch, and on the lips as well. So I'm leaving it to dry, but when you apply it on the lip, it applies like an oil. But I am not sure how a product which has the texture of an oil is going to turn your lipstick matte and transfer proof, because oil has a tendency to rip off the product that you have. So let's see. So it says you need to wait for like 1 minute or maybe 30 seconds. Let's see how much time it takes to dry. We're waiting on it. So we have quite waited for a minute. So I took a buffer of 30 seconds and waited 30 seconds more, so it counts to 1 minute, and my lipstick actually feels matte. So this is the other end of the tissue. Let's see if it actually transfers. god, you can see it doesn't transfer at all. It doesn't transfer at all, and this is magical. How does this happen? I mean, Sugar Cosmetics is doing a really great job with the products that they're coming out with, and I am really impressed. Now I think this is going to be my go-to product in my makeup vanity because I have a lot of lipsticks which I am in love with, and I love the shades of them. I love the formulations because anyway, but formulation thing doesn't come in the picture because anyway I'm going to change the formulation with this one. So I have my MAC lipsticks, the creamy one, and they transfer a lot. If you know, you know. So the hair and everything, so they transfer, and I really want to wear them. And I have few lipsticks and lip pencils, that chunky pencils that Sugar comes with, the one that I'm wearing right now, and they are in the creamy consistency and they tend to transfer, and I really don't like my lipsticks transferring on things like cups and everything. I for some reason find it very embarrassing when I'm drinking out of a cup and then my lipstick just is all over the place. It's not a nice, I don't know, it kind of grossed me out. But about the product, I'm really impressed. You must give it a try. It is like $4.99. For $4.99, it is going to turn all of your lipsticks into a transfer-proof matte lipstick. So I think you should go buy it. If you take one suggestion from me, you must give it a try if your budget allows you. This is beautiful. So for this video, we've come to the end because we've reviewed the product, we've seen the results, and I'm really impressed. From my side, it's a thumbs up. It feels gross to me on my lips. It's beautiful. It feels very light. I am not even able to tell even if I have a lipstick or not, because earlier I was able to tell that I had a lipstick because it was a creamy lipstick, but now after it has matted it down, and I don't know what it did to the consistency of my lipstick or what it did on my lip, but it is really beautiful. The feeling is very beautiful. Now it feels very lightweight. So that's all about this video, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Have a great time. Bye bye.